Welcome to Worldwide Business. I'm Kathy Ireland. When profits are embedded in the materials being hauled, the trucking industry relies on the dependable performance that rugged trailers bring to the job. Trout River Industries, an innovative leader in trailer manufacturing, knows this all too well. Owners Darrin Mitchell and Harvey Stewart are here to discuss the details behind their superior trailer technology. Welcome, gentlemen.
Thanks for having us.
Hi, Kathy.
Now, Darrin, could you give us some insight into the challenges that are impacting the trucking industry?
I think one of the things that we're facing today is a lot of trucking companies are having their profits squeezed by increased expenses, and they're not as flexible as they used to be, trying to find different works for their products and different opportunities for their businesses.
Harvey, how is Trout River Industries addressing these issues?
We took a trailer and we put a conveyor in the bottom of it to unload aggregates and asphalt and these sorts of things. In the last over 100 years, they've been hauling stuff like this the exact same way. And we've taken an innovative idea and involved it into a trailer, and that's the way we do it now. We don't raise the box way up in the air because it was a big safety issue, because there was people getting hurt doing this, and that's why we come up with the one that would unload this way.
Right.
But then all of a sudden we start to see that we could do different things with this thing. We could back inside to unload, we could back into different places, we could work under power lines where you couldn't do that before. So we have one piece of equipment that would turn around and would do many, many different things.
Well, in this Worldwide Business Field Report, we hit the road and take a closer look at Trout River Industries in action.
At Trout River Industries, it's very important for us to maintain great relationships. It's very important to us to have people out there with our product satisfied, so we work the best that we can to keep everybody moving and everybody working.
The unique thing about the live bottom and the shuttle floor, the live bottom is very good for hauling your road building materials, asphalt and gravel. You don't have to put it in the air. There's no risk of any overhead lines or overpasses. The shuttle floor now is kind of a different animal. It does the more of the compost, the waste industry, and it unloads clean, and there's no problems at the end of the day with drivers having to climb over anything to clean out the product.
We've had great success with Trout River trailers. We use the live bottom belt trailers for our construction work. It helps us with eliminating tip overs with in-dump trailers, and we basically can do different things with one trailer versus having two trailers.
The trailers were really good quality. They were well made. You can pretty well back in any place and take the load off. You don't have to worry about power lines and stuff. To unload them, it's just a matter of minutes, like a couple of minutes to unload them.
It's great to see a company like Trout River. It's a high-performing product, reliable, dependable, and for us, that is first and foremost when we buy an asset, is that you get that dependability, and they have a trailer that met those expectations.
Darrin, how did you become the world's largest producer of live bottom trailers?
I would say in the beginning, the first thing that we did is we made sure that the equipment that we built made customers money. So we put lots of features and benefits in the products that we could competently go in front of the customer and say, we want to work with you to make you more money. The second thing that we did is we spent a lot of time on the road working with customers, and in the end, you have to have the courage to sit with your customer and say, what can I do to help? And generously listen to the customer at that point in time. And if we can help and we have a solution for the customer, then we provide a prescription at the end of it. If we can't help, we can't continue to waste their time, because today's world is so competitive. You better have a solution immediately for that customer, otherwise you've become a nuisance to them.
Harvey, you also produce the shuttle floor trailer. Could you talk about that and what the differences are?
That's an innovation that we come up with. There was a customer that was asking about how can we haul this wet, sticky, sludge materials? And it was Darrin that turned around and said, how are we going to do this? And so we sat down and we drew it up and we come up with the idea. and it's a full width trailer. The belt is the full width inside, so when you turn it on, everything comes out and there's a big wall comes back through and it cleans it as it goes. So within 2 minutes it's all done and you're away you go again. But it's probably one of the only trailers that will haul this type of material.
What it allows the customer to do is haul bulky, wet, sticky material,
Right.
and anything from contaminated soils to agricultural waste. We have
Mostly
companies,
waste materials.
companies hauling recycling materials, and it's really opened up a lot of doors for us.
Darrin, what challenges did you have to overcome?
I would say the biggest challenge that we had to overcome was our geography. So Harvey and I have spent a lot of time on airplanes meeting with customers face to face to grow the business. We have a large dealer network, but even your dealer network needs the attention that they deserve as well, so they have good information.
And Darrin, what does the future have in store for Trout River Industries?
I believe if we continue to keep doing what we're doing, the future looks good, and don't lose sight of what got us to where we are today. So answering the phone, continuing to treat customers like human beings.
Right.
In the future, what would be most rewarding for both of us is no matter where you go in the globe, you'll be able to see Trout River trailers running up and down the roads.
Well, it certainly sounds like Trout River Industries is strengthening the trucking industry through its high-quality, custom, payload-optimized solutions. Congratulations to both of you, and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. For Worldwide Business, I'm Kathy Ireland. Thank you for watching.